Let's look at our first example, boys and girls. 3 over 7 is equivalent to something over 21. Now, no questions, I'll have those at the end. I'm explaining, not asking, okay? I'll try that again. I'm explaining, not asking. What number goes on the top? Well, the trick is this, boys and girls. You've got to work out what have you multiplied 7 by to turn it into 21. Now, this is the thing you're doing in your head. What do you multiply 7 by to turn it into 21? Well, the way to do it is this. Divide 21 by 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. So that's what you multiplied 7 by. And then to make and keep the fraction equivalent, you have to do the same to the other number. So write that down. We've got times 3, and then we have to times the top number in this case by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3/7 is equivalent to 9 over 21. Let's try that again. Example 2. 1 quarter is equivalent to what over 20? Now, you're trying to work out what have I multiplied 4 by? No, I'm explaining. What have I multiplied 4 by to turn it into 20? Okay, now the way to work that out is this. Put your hands down, I keep saying. I'm explaining at this time. If you work out the second number divided by the first, 20 divided by 4, that gives you 5. 5 is what you've multiplied 4 by. So then, and make sure you write this down so you never forget, you have to times the other number by the same thing. 1 times 5 is 5. Let's try that once more, because the key really, no questions until the end. The key thing is, what do you multiply by? Here we go. Question 3. 5 over 12 is the same as 10 over what? Now, this time it's the top number that I'm going to use. What have I multiplied 5 by to turn it into 10? Well, again, I'm sure most of you don't need to know to do this, but what is 10 divided by 2? Divided by 5 was. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So that's what I've times the 5 by. So I have to do the same with the bottom. 12 times 2 is 24. And lastly, this is a not very nice question, but sometimes you get them like this in textbooks and exams. 3 over some number equals 21 over 28. Now, how do I work out what I multiplied 3 by? Well, this is the calculation I do. You might have to use your times tables if they're not very good. What is 21 divided by 3? And the answer is 7. But this is a weird one. I've got to try and work out what was the number before I times it by 7. Can anybody tell me, now you can answer a question, how can I work out what number I multiplied by 7 to give me 28? Yes, young lady, at the back.
So you then do 28 divided by 7.
Very good. Hang on. Just slow down, because it's being recorded here. The young lady said, divide 28 by 7. 28 divided by 7. And yes, young lady, it gives me 4. And there you go. That was the number, because 4 times 7 would give me 28. Okay?